Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share all of this, the daily life motion pack for your iClone 8. This is a really awesome pack. After you download, I'm very sure you will like it. Right, what you are going to do is just scroll down, go to my video description. You will see the first link, Get Awesome Daily Live Motion Pack for iClone 8. Click into this link. Once you download it, it is a zip file. After you extract it, you will have all of the iClone motion files available. So now I'm going to show you. You can see this is after downloaded. After downloaded, you will have all of this iClone motion file. The file extension is iMotions, and now we are going to test it. Now I'm going to open the iClone 8. The iClone 8. Alright. Now the iClone 8 already opened. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to test it on two avatars. This one I have to wait for a while now. Right, it is already loaded. I will have an Xboard and also a Y-board avatar. And assume that these two are the avatar, and we are going to test the daily live motion pack at here. Just for example, I'm going to test some of it. For example, this is a female motion. Drag and drop into, wait. Just drag and drop the eye motions. Right, now you can see both of it are in T-pose. And actually, how are you going to use it? Just for example, once you play, it is in that position. So you have to make sure you move it to overlap both of them together. Alright, then once I try to play, now you can see this is a really awesome daily life motion pack that you can apply in your iClone 7 3D animation. Sorry, this is iClone 8. You can apply it. Right. These are just the 3D animation, the iClone motion files. And let's have a look. That's all for today about my sharing of the daily life motion pack that you can just go and download. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.